StainerShield XT slide identification labels are specifically designed for pre-stainer labeling of slides with barcodes and text. They are formulated to withstand extended exposures to the harshest histology staining and slide preparation protocols, including chemical and reagents such as xylene, toluene, alcohol, ethanol, hematoxylin, eosin, temperature extremes, microwaves, and decloakers. StainerShield XT labels remain on the slide, the text stays readable, and the barcodes remain scannable after staining throughout the lab process, including archiving. Notice, the Stainer XT label is still holding on to the slide and able to be scanned after labels were submerged in xylene for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. StainerShield XT labels are produced exclusively by General Data Healthcare, the barcode experts for the histology lab.